Hello everyone, good morning. Today our lesson is about an example of bird. An example of bird. Now just watch and listen carefully.
A hen. Head, beak, wing, feather, legs. A hen. Head, beak, wing, feather, legs. A hen. Head, beak, wing, feather, leg.
Okay, an example of bird, it is a hen. A hen is a female chicken. A female chicken produces eggs. Not like a male chicken is a rooster. This is opposite of hen. Rooster is a male chicken. We know male chicken doesn't produce eggs. Only a female chicken is a hen. A hen, it is very important to us as human being. Why? Because hens gives us meat and eggs. And hence, I will repeat, is a female chicken. Hen is a female chicken. And hen has head, one head. Hen has beak, one beak. Here is the beak of hen. A hen have two wings. One, two wings. And hens also can fly. Because hens have two wings. One, two. Okay? Two wings. Hen has feeder. Okay? And hens has legs. A hen have two legs. One, two. Two legs. And hens can walk and can fly. Okay? Let's proceed to exercises. True or false? Mark, check, or X. If the question is correct, put check. And if the question is wrong, put X. Okay? Question number 1. A hen is a wild animal? A hen is a wild animal? The answer is wrong. Why? Because hens is a bird. Because hens belong to bird. Question number 2. A hen has two wings? A hen has two wings? True. Hens has two wings because hens, the bird, can fly. But a hen gives us milk. A hen gives us milk. Wrong. Because hens give us meat and egg only. Gives us eggs and meat only. That's why wrong. Number 4, a hen has feeder. Correct. And the last questions, number 5, a hen has beak. It is correct, true. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you enjoy my lesson.